Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum, all of my friends. Today we are going to make a eggplant salad recipe without mayonnaise. This is the best salad of eggplant. Everyone would like it definitely. There are a lot of benefits of eggplants, especially it contains vitamin B that is very important for our blood particles. So guys, let's start. Let's see how to make eggplant salad recipe without mayonnaise. For this purpose, I have taken one eggplant, I have peeled it, and now I am getting its cubes. And then I am going to add it in water, and I will add some salt in this water. Now keep it inside. Here I have taken also a cucumber. Also I am getting it dice or cube. Keep it in a bowl. Do same with this. Okay. Now I have one tomato. It's little bit hard. I am taking it with its seeds and pulp and with the skin. Also place it in a bowl. Add all ingredients in a bowl. I have half or 1/4 green capsicum, and also I'm getting it chopped. Okay. Also I'm gonna use red bell pepper. If you don't have, so you can skip this ingredient. Otherwise that would produce a good taste in this salad. And also its fragrance is very fascinating. Okay, now I'm taking only half onion. Let's chop it like this. Now slice it thin. Okay. Now I will use some fresh coriander here. If you want, or if you have parsley, cilantro, or any other greenery, so you can use this also, or place of this fresh coriander. Here I have boiled chicken, 1 cup maximum. Press it and just roughly chop. We need its chunks. Okay. Okay. Now I'm chopping 2 garlic cloves. You can also mince these, but I am preferring chopping. Okay, let's add it in our veggies or salad ingredients. Now these are ready. Let's do with our eggplant. I have drained the water. Now I have taken a wok and I have added 1 teaspoon butter. I'm using bluband margarine, and I'm gonna saute my eggplants. I will cook these until they would cook completely. Fry these, keep stirring, check these. Now cover the lid for some moment. Now keep it inside for getting it cool. I am adding some spring onion in it and also 2 tablespoon yogurt. It's plain. Some salt, and also I am using my homemade cream cheese. I will use almost 2 tablespoon or 2.5 tablespoon heaped. Now these have been cooled. So let's add in it and mix all the salad ingredients together. Okay. Okay viewers, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you could get my all fresh recipes first. Okay, there you go. Mashallah, it's looking very beautiful and nice, and also it's very healthy. Did you see? With few ingredients, we make a fabulous eggplant salad recipe without mayonnaise. Okay friends, see you soon with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.